Since I'm the queen of the side hustle and I've worked in many work zones, let's talk about working in others' homes. That means your hustle does not take place in your home, it takes place in someone else's home. Now there are some pros and cons to working in that zone, and let's go through them, shall we?
Come on over.
Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
When you work in someone else's home, your home address, your home zip code, your home everything is very private. Nobody comes to your home. That means your home can be as messy as you want it to be. Your lawn could be in need of mowing. You may have packages stacked up at the front door. Doesn't matter because you're working in someone else's home. And that is a major win.
What happened?
I won.
If you work in someone else's home while you're on your way to their home or on your way back to your own home, you can multitask. You can stop at the grocery, you can stop at the post office. You're already en route there and back, so that allows you to multitask as part of your side gig. And I think that is an enormous pro.
We have nothing holding us back. We can run errands.
And since you're traveling, you could deduct that mileage for your taxes. That's right. You write down what your mileage is starting and returning. And if you are still doing those tasks in between, you still get to count that mileage because you are on your way there and you are on your way home. And that mileage can really add up when you do your taxes.
It's a write-off. It's tax deductible.
Also, as a pro, when you're in someone else's home, you are able to refer yourself or get referrals. When you are working in someone else's home, you kind of become part of their family, part of their culture, part of their schedule. And you can see how you work together. And that is the best referral you can get when someone else needs your services. While you're there, they may say, "What else do you do?" And you could say, "I garden a little." Second, side hustle. Great pro. But working in others' homes does have some cons attached. And maybe one of the biggest cons is traffic issues, traffic delays, traffic road problems. Those can get super, super irritating, and they can affect your mood before you even show up at someone else's home. So take that into consideration. If you are traveling to a home, there will be traffic issues, and how you handle those could be a con.
Coming to bed, honey?
Yes, dear.
If you're traveling to someone else's home for your side hustle, it will involve vehicle wear and tear, and that can be a con, particularly if it's an older vehicle. You will have tires wear down. You might have a windshield wiper fly off in traffic. These things just happen. So keep that in mind. Maybe it's a little con, and so you're willing to overlook it. Perhaps one of the biggest cons of working in someone else's home are the constant interruptions. And I mean interruptions from the phone ringing, someone else coming to the house, children, pets. I like to say in my head sometimes, do I come to your office and make noise while you're working? No. But that's the reality of being in someone else's home. There are going to be distractions, interruptions. So if that bothers you really a lot, and that's a major con, working in someone else's home may not be for you. Now, for more information about the pros and cons of the work zone, pick up my book, Queen of the Side Hustle, available on Amazon.com.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.